So Chad Smith here with the expert on financial decision making, Cameron Hendricks, one of the many here at Financial Symmetry, we like to say. How many financial decisions do you make in a day? So there's a study that says the average adult makes around 35,000 decisions in a day. Now, how many of those are financial? We don't know for sure, but basically we do know from another study that says 7 out of 10 people delay big financial decisions. So naturally we wondered why that is, right?
Yeah, I think the reason being is each time that you make a financial decision you're saying yes to, you're simultaneously saying no to something else.
The old opportunity cost, right?
Exactly right.
Yeah.
So in financial matters, if you're going to contribute to your 401k, you're saying no to increasing your lifestyle and your spend rate.
Mm-hmm.
If you were to increase that lifestyle and spend rate, say for example, if you got a bonus or RSUs vested, one of those one-time things, what you're doing is simultaneously saving less,
Mm-hmm.
and therefore either potentially delaying or lowering the chance that you're going to accomplish your longer-term goal, such as financial independence. And the key here is finding a balance,
Mm-hmm.
and that balance where you're living a life that you want to and spending in a way to do so, but also saving enough so that you can accomplish your longer-term goals.
Mm-hmm.
And that balance is going to look different for everybody. So you got to figure out what are your priorities,
Mm-hmm.
and so that once you got those down, your personal convictions and priorities, you can make decisions that are purposeful with your money.
Yeah, many of us don't want to delay that immediate gratification, right? Because it's much more fun to spend now. And a lot of times these decisions can be complex, I think, and that's why people put them off. But that's what we walked through in our podcast episode.
Exactly.
A framework between short-term, long-term goals of how to make better decisions financially.
Yep, exactly right.
All right. So you can listen to the full episode on our website, financialsymmetry.com. And other than that, you can check out all the other videos, short videos that we have on our YouTube channel just by searching Financial Symmetry there. So we look forward to seeing you again in 2 weeks. Thanks for joining us.